Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone X, XS and XS Max and also iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So how we can unlock our iPhone. So let's start the video without wasting time. Firstly check your passcode on your device. So you can see our password is not accepted. So tap again. So you can see our iPhone cannot be accepted our passcode because of forgot passcode. So how we can unlock? So tap on emergency portion. So friends, tap pin number first star 807 38 7501 star 807 67 38 067 507 3 and tap hash. So friends, when you tap the dialer, then this pin is automatically added on your iPhone. So tap on dialer. So friends, tap second pin and unlock your iPhone. So star 80768375830 star 83758011 star 7353 and hash. So friends, when you tap the dialer, this pin is also added in your iPhone and unlock the iPhone device. So tap on dialer. So friend, you can see here our iPhone is unlocked. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to unlock your iPhone X, XS, XS Max and 11, 12, 13, 14 and also 15. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.